Welcome to Digital Edge. To attract its global audience, KFC implements a diverse marketing strategy, firmly established in a consistent brand image defined by the famous red and white style, the Colonel Sanders logo, and the memorable phrase "Finger Lickin Good." KFC has a recognizable and enduring presence. The brand's menu is always evolving, with new and exciting things introduced to capture client interest and generate excitement. KFC's engaging online presence, which includes humor, memes, and interactive material, plays an important part in connecting with their target market. Strategic partnerships with renowned businesses or personalities help to broaden KFC's reach while also promoting exclusivity and urgency through limited-time incentives. KFC embraces localized marketing and tailors its techniques to different regional preferences. To foster client loyalty, the company uses technology like its mobile apps and loyalty programs, as well as rewards and special discounts. Transparency and storytelling add to KFC's appeal, as the company publishes stories about acquiring great products and being involved in the community. KFC's status as a leading force in the fast food business is maintained by this dynamic and thorough approach.